Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a community app with Circle step by step clearly. To activate your community app with Circle, first, visit the Circle website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Circle. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once logged in, click on the Create Community button on your dashboard. Choose a relevant name for your community that reflects its purpose. Select a unique URL for your community that is easy to remember. Pick a category that best fits your community's theme. Upload a captivating logo and a cover image to enhance your brand. Set up your community description to explain what members can expect. Decide whether your community will be free or paid. If you choose a paid community, configure your pricing and payment options. Customize your community settings by adjusting visibility and member permissions. Navigate to the Channels section to create specific topics for discussion. Establish guidelines for each channel to encourage productive interactions. Set up member roles and permissions to encourage engagement. Integrate any third-party tools you wish to use, like email marketing software. Create welcome messages for new members to enhance their first experience. Promote your community by sharing the link on your social media platforms. Encourage your existing network to join and participate in discussions. Monitor engagement regularly to ensure a vibrant community atmosphere. Adjust community features and settings based on member feedback as needed. Continue fostering relationships through regular updates and content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.